A very good day to my lecturers. I myself is Raghunath. My mentoring ID is 191093049. Today, I am going to talk about my internship for 10 weeks at MEI Projects Engineer. I have completed my internship which starts on 1st August and ended in 10th October. I am going to start with the background of the company. MEI began in 1988 as a multidisciplinary corporation providing integrated engineering solutions. Their technical ability and experience have helped them manage and integrate all engineering disciplines, including civil, structural and architectural engineering, mechanical and electrical engineering, process and instrumentation engineering, engineering procurement and construction management, and also engineering procurement and construction. This is our company organizational chart. What we have learned. We have learned a few things during our internship. For the first one, I'm going to talk about the lighting design. We have learned to do lighting design using Dialux EVO software. Before this, we use a manual calculation to calculate the lighting requirements, as I have done in our ETP project. But when I work here, they have introduced us to Dialux EVO. Dialux EVO is a real visual effect that lets you simulate real light effects in an interacting way. This lets you work with the site, the building and its environments and the isolated units all the same time. Unlike a lot of lighting software, Dialux EVO is very easy to use and can be downloaded free from the websites. For the next one, we have also attended the talk by Dr. Go. There are different types of department in a consultant firm, but we as a consultant, we need to work together with the contractor to finish a project. We have also to understand as a consultant engineer what is the responsible in design stage and construction stage. We also have to understand the right of the consultant have in the contract. And we also required to understand the difference between IEM and BEM. We also have done several site visiting. For the first one, we have go to the Pearl Globe at Sungai Petani. We are required to take the pictures of the existing DB box for the further construction design. And the next one, we have went to the Robert Bosch at Batu Kawan, which is still under construction, and we have learned what the contractor's responsibility to make sure the project is done by time. Next one, I'm going to talk about another activity, which is tender completion. Tendering is a process by which bids are invited from interested contractors to carry out specific packages of construction work. So I have compiled several tender documents. For the first one is bill of quantity. The bill of quantity, sometimes referred as BQ, is a document prepared by the consultant that provides specific measured quantities of the items of work identified by the drawings and specification in the tender documentation. For the next one, I have also compiled the technical data. The technical specification is the section of a tender document responsible for providing the bidder with the specific technical information regarding the materials, plant, equipment, services or site activities that the bidder is expected to supply if he is a successful bidder. For the last one, I have compiled the tender document for unit rate. This indicates that prior to the job and the contract, the individual components of the materials are known, but it is impossible to determine their quantities during the bidding process. For a unit rate contract, the contractor submits an offer that includes a price for each individual material. Next, I'm going to talk about ETAP. ETAP is a software tool for modeling and simulating electrical networks that also can be used to do power flow analysis, short circuit rating, arc flash and many more functions. So far, I have learned the ETAP software till the power flow analysis, short circuit and arc flash. So we are required to do the calculation, manual calculation and compare with the simulation. So as we have done the calculation using two methods, which is ohmic method and per unit method. For the calculation, we have got the same answer for both of the answer with the short circuit rating is the same. So when I simulate it, the answer is almost the same, about 90%. So for the next task is given is to calculate the voltage drop for a project using ETAP. So this is the example of the simulation for the voltage drop. So I have also learned several soft skills while I am here during these 10 weeks. For the first one is problem solving skills. Problem solving skills help you to determine the source of a problem and find an effective solution. And for the second one is communication skills. Good communication skills are essential to allow others and yourself to understand information more accurately and quickly. In contrast, poor communication skills lead to frequent misunderstandings and frustration. For the third one is I have learned is teamwork. Teamwork ensures that resources are well managed and less time is needed to complete a project. Good teamwork can contribute to economizing more successful project outcomes and ultimately higher profits. It also adds to the quality and individuality of projects. For the last one I have learned is the work ethic. Work ethic is an attitude of determination and dedication towards one's job. Those with a strong work ethic place a high value on their professional success. They exhibit moral principles that make them outstanding employees in any position. Next, let's hear how was my performance during these 10 weeks from my senior principal, Mr. I.R. Wong.
Okay, good morning. I was asked to give a statement about Raghu's internship at this office. So Raghu has been very, active and in participating in the activity given to him for this internship. We have in this office a structured training for internship programs, and he have completed all the tasks given. And then at the end of internship, there will be a summary of presentation. Later today in the evening, Raghu will actually make a presentation, and maybe later he can share with you. So on behalf of the company, I would like to say thank you for Raghu's assistant in the 12 weeks of internships. He did assist the engineer in doing engineering works and to help out the drafters and the designer in their daily tasks. Hope this will expose Raghu to his future career and is one of the options for him to consider, and also for him to decide on his final year's course selections. Thank you.
As the conclusion of this video, I would like to thank to Unimap to give us an opportunity to learn the working environment before going to work. And also I would like to thank to MEI project to offer me this work and also guided me a lot during my internship. That's all from me. Thank you.